Bonjour et bienvenue à French Tweets. Securing permanent residency in Canada is becoming increasingly challenging, especially when we look at the recent express entry draws. Lately, we've only seen French category draws, and the CRS scores have dropped as low as 379. A common misconception is that you need a CLB 7 in the French category to qualify for express entry. But that's not the only option available. Let me introduce you to another French language category that requires only a CLB 5. This category is called the Francophone Communities Immigration Pilot. And the good news is it's currently open for applications. The Francophone Communities Immigration Pilot is a Canadian immigration program designed to attract skilled workers who speak French and are interested in settling in Francophone communities outside of Quebec. The goal of FCIP is to support the growth of French-speaking communities in Canada and contribute to the country's bilingualism by encouraging more Francophones to live and work in these areas. Let's check out some key details about this program. Let's talk about the eligibility criteria. Language requirements. Applicants must demonstrate proficiency in French for the FCIP. A CLB 5 in French is sufficient, which is lower than the CLB 7 required for some other immigration categories. Applicants must have a valid job offer from an employer in one of the participating provinces outside of Quebec. The applicant must have an intention to live in a Francophone community. The program specially targets French-speaking communities in provinces like Ontario, New Brunswick, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and others, rather than Quebec. Now let's talk about some benefits. The program offers a more straightforward pathway to permanent residency for those with basic French language skills, that is CLB 5, and who are willing to settle in Francophone communities. The initiative helps to promote the development of Francophone regions in Canada by attracting immigrants who can contribute to the local economy and culture. FCIP is currently open for applications, offering a great opportunity for those who meet the language requirements and wish to live in a French-speaking community outside of Quebec. In summary, the Francophone Communities Immigration Program is an excellent option for those who want to immigrate to Canada. They must have a basic understanding of French and are open to living in one of Canada's Francophone communities. It provides a unique route for skilled workers to contribute to Canada's bilingual heritage by living in diverse regions outside of Quebec. However, before applying to this program, it's crucial that you already know French. If you're looking to improve your French skills, we at French Tweets can help. We have native TEF experts, including myself, with over 15 years of experience in French language training. What sets French Tweets apart is that all our instructors are TEF certified and have consistently helped our learners achieve outstanding results. On our website, you can check our available time slots and the type of batches we offer. We provide small batches to ensure personalized attention, and we also offer one-on-one lessons if you prefer to learn at your own pace. Our courses are fully integrated with TEF and TCA preparation, which means we focus on the right strategies and materials to help you succeed. We operate in multiple time zones and offer live online classes, so you can choose a slot that fits your schedule. Whether you're working or studying, if you have any questions or need more information, feel free to reach out. All the details are in the description below. We also offer a free counseling session to guide you through your language learning journey. Looking forward to helping you achieve your Canadian immigration goals. Thank you.